Assalamualaikum dan hai semua. Hi everyone. I hope everyone has a great start in 2024. But never forget to practice speaking Malay, okay? Alright, today we will study the Malay word pun. Pun. Not pun like the word spoon in English, but pun. Although it is spelled with U, however, the pronunciation of the letter U in pun is similar to the sound of O, small o, not O, but O. Pun, pun. In English, it means also, too, and as well. Pun also has a synonym which is juga, juga. And in spoken Malay, juga is commonly pronounced as juga, juga, with an added K at the end. This is the first meaning of pun. Let's see how we can use this type of pun in spoken Malay. The first example, here we have two ladies. They could be friends or colleagues. The first lady says, "Saya nak makan nasi lemak. Saya nak makan nasi lemak." Saya, I, nak, to want, makan, to eat, nasi lemak is a common dish in Malaysia for any time of the day. Basically, rice cooked in coconut milk and served with many condiments. In this picture, we have the spicy sauce, sambal, and then the boiled egg and also slices of cucumber. The first lady said, "Saya nak makan nasi lemak," which means, I want to eat nasi lemak. And her friend replies with, "Saya pun." Saya pun. Saya pun means me too. Basically, saying the idea that she wants to eat the same dish. This is the shorter reply. Actually, you could say the whole complete sentence like so. Saya pun nak makan nasi lemak. Saya pun nak makan nasi lemak, which basically means I want to eat nasi lemak too. I want to eat nasi lemak as well. I also want to eat nasi lemak. I hope you can get the idea. Let's see another example with a different verb. Now we have pergi, pergi, which means to go. So the first lady says, "Saya nak pergi ke pejabat." Saya nak pergi ke pejabat. In spoken Malay, we commonly drop the particle ke, which means to become saya nak pergi pejabat. Saya nak pergi pejabat. I want to go to the office. And her colleague replies with, "Saya pun," which means me too. She also wants to go to the office. And just like the previous example, you could reply with a longer sentence. Saya pun nak pergi ke pejabat. Or by dropping the particle ke, saya pun nak pergi pejabat. Saya pun nak pergi pejabat. The second meaning of pun is even, any. Let's see an example. The man is proposing to the lady. He says, "Laut pun saya sanggup redah untuk awak." Laut pun saya sanggup redah untuk awak. Laut means the sea or the ocean. Laut pun means even the sea or even the ocean. Saya means I. Sanggup means willing to do something. Saya sanggup means I am willing to. Redah. Redah means to pass through. Untuk. Untuk for. Untuk awak. Untuk awak for you. Even the sea I am willing to pass through for you. However, the lady rejects his proposal. So she says, saya tak nak terima. Saya tak nak terima. Saya, I, tak or tidak, which means no, nak or hendak or mahu, which means to want. Terima means to accept. Saya tak nak terima, meaning I don't want to accept. Oh, pity the man. Let's look at another example. Here we have a very beautiful traditional house, probably an inherited house from the family. The first lady says a statement, sesiapa pun boleh tinggal dekat rumah ni. Sesiapa pun boleh tinggal dekat rumah ni. Sesiapa pun, anyone, even anyone, boleh tinggal, can live, dekat rumah ni, at this house. Even anyone can live at this house. Anyone can live at this house. So the second lady, probably within the family, was shocked to hear that and says, orang luar pun. Orang luar pun. Orang means people, luar, outside, pun means even or any. Orang luar means outsiders, not within the family. Orang luar pun, even outsiders. And the last example, here we have a male asking his friend, awak dah sihat? Awak dah sihat? Awak means you, dah or sudah means already, sihat means well or healthy. So, awak dah sihat? It means, are you already well? And the lady replied, belum. Nak berdiri pun saya tak boleh. Belum. Nak berdiri pun saya tak boleh. Belum means not yet. Nak or hendak or mahu, to want. Berdiri, to stand up. Berdiri pun, even to stand up. Saya tak boleh. I cannot. Belum. Nak berdiri pun saya tak boleh. Not yet. Even if I want to stand up, I cannot. Or even to stand up, I cannot. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you could understand the lesson well. If you have any question, please write it down in the comment. I will try my best to answer. And don't forget that I also do Malay speaking classes. So if you want to practice Malay with me, head over to linktree/ilearnmalay. Well then, thank you, terima kasih, see you soon. Sampai jumpa lagi.